Hello and welcome to BCR. Let's get your trading day started with the following financial news and market headlines.
Following the Fed's decision to keep interest rates between 5.25 to 5.50% and cautious remarks by Chairman Powell, the U.S. dollar index plummeted to 105.43 on Wednesday. Powell noted that despite inflationary pressures and a tightening labor market, the U.S. economy continues to exhibit strong domestic demand. After a shaky start to the week, the dollar managed to regain momentum, briefly pushing the dollar index above the 106.00 level and cautious trading ahead of Wednesday's Fed rate decision. The U.S. BLS reported that the employment cost index in the U.S. rose by 1.2% in the first quarter, following a 0.9% increase in the fourth quarter of 2023, exceeding market expectations. On Wednesday, following the Fed's decision to keep interest rates unchanged while announcing a slowdown in the reduction of its balance sheet, gold prices surged above the milestone of $2,300 to $2,329. Additionally, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell did not provide forward guidance on rate cuts for the remainder of the year. He stated that rate cuts are inappropriate until they are confident that inflation is trending towards the 2% target, adding that this year's inflation data has not given us greater confidence. Meanwhile, China, the world's largest gold-consuming country, has been steadily purchasing gold since October 2022. This, in turn, helps further drive up the price of the precious metal. On Wednesday, U.S. WTI crude oil prices fell below $80 per barrel, as the U.S. crude supply continued to exceed demand and the Federal Reserve's path to interest rate cuts remained uncertain. With most global markets focused on the Fed's latest interest rate decision, the U.S. EIA released the latest weekly numbers on U.S. crude supply. According to the EIA's data for the week ending April 26, U.S. crude oil production increased by 7.265 million barrels, which was far below the forecasted decrease of 2.3 million barrels and completely offset the reduction of 6.368 million barrels reported the previous week. This week's EIA data indicated the highest weekly crude production since the week of February 9th.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news and insights.